Hello dear students, I, Mrs. Usha Jadhav, your OCM teacher, once again welcomes you all in online lecture series 2021-22 organized by BYK College of Commerce. Students, in previous lectures we will learn marketing, meaning, definition and concepts of marketing, right? So today we will learn importance of marketing. So let us start. Content. First, importance of marketing. A. Importance of marketing to the society. B. Importance of marketing to the firm. And C. Importance of marketing to the consumer. Let us see importance of marketing. In the absence of marketing, many business would fail to exist. Marketing is a play important role. The prime object of a production is to distribute goods and services by using effective marketing. Business could have the most amazing products or services, but if no one knows it exists, then business will not to be able to sell it. Right, student? Business is a buying and selling of a goods. This activity is the most important for business. There is a need to use marketing to promote business. Without marketing, it is difficult to reach the potential customers. Right, student? The role of marketing is to diverse in the modern world. Effective marketing helps organization to survive in the competitive environments. Right? Importance of marketing at glance. First, society. Increase standard of living. Second, provides employment. Third, decreases distribution cost. Fourth, consumer awareness. Fifth, increase in national income. And sixth, managing consumer expectation. Then second, firm. Importance of marketing to the firm. First, increase awareness. Second, increase sales. Third, creates trust. Fourth, basis of making decisions. Fifth, source of new ideas. And sixth, taking the competition. Then next, importance of marketing at a glance to the consumer. First, promotes product awareness. Second, provides quality products. Third, provides variety of products. Fourth, helps in selection. And fifth, consumer satisfaction. Three importance of marketing is there. First, importance of marketing to the society. Increase in standard of living. The prime objective of marketing is to provide goods and services. First objective, to provide goods and services to the customers and to satisfy the customers' needs. Right, student? Marketing policy major define marketing as the delivery of standard of living to the society. Marketing helps to identify the needs of the customers and take an initiative to provide the quality goods at the cheaper price. Right, student? This will help to increase and maintain the standard of living of the customers. Okay. Next, provides employment. Modern marketing is a total system which covers almost all functions of organization such as buying, selling, financing, transport, warehousing, risk bearing, research and development, etc. Right? To run this system, there is a need of people. Marketing gives the job opportunities to the people. In the modern era of automation, laser employments are available in production function and the role of marketing has widened. Right, student? Decrease distribution cost. Marketing activities help to provide cheap goods and services to the society. Effective utilization of channel of distribution can help in reducing the cost price of the products and services. Means reduction of cost will help to increase the potential consumers. Right, student? For the products or services. It also assures timely availability of the product. Right? Fourth, consumer awareness. Marketing helps the society by informing and educating consumers. The function of marketing is to fulfill the needs of the consumers. Marketing provides satisfaction to the society by supplying relevant information about goods and services to the people of the society according to their demand and taste. Marketing can also include more practical information to assist in making a purchase such as address, phone numbers, products release date, store hours and web address. Right? Next, increase national income. Every economy revolves around marketing, production and finance to the industry. The scientifically organized marketing activities help in the economic development of the country. Effective marketing of products and services result into industrialization, more job and makes the economy stronger and stable. Right, student? Marketing can bring about rapid development of the country by integration of agriculture and industry. Next, managing consumer expectation. Marketing research helps the organization to understand the needs of the customers. It helps in the developing the products which fulfills customers' expectations. Customers' review collected through different sources can help the organization to make necessary changes in the products. Business use marketing to make consumers aware of major changes such as mergers and transfers in ownership that affect product offerings or seek to improve quality. Government regulations prevent marketers from making false or misleading claims. Right, student? B. Importance of marketing to the firm. First, increase awareness. Marketing helps in creating awareness about the exciting products, new arrivals, as well as the company which sells a particular product in the market. This raises awareness among the potential consumers. It creates brand image among the consumers, right? Increase sales. Once marketing creates awareness about the products or services among the consumers, it attracts them to purchase the same. Successful marketing campaign helps to increase the sales of organization. Increase in sale generates profits for the organization, right? This income and profit are reinvested in the business to earn more profits in future. In modern business, survival of the organization depends on the effectiveness of the marketing function, right? Next, create trust. People want to buy from a business that has to trustworthy reputation. Creating trust among the customers is a time consuming process, right? Creating trust among the consumers help the business to earn loyal customers. Effective marketing plays an important role in building a relationship between the customers and the organization. A majority of the activities of the marketers are directed towards building the brand equity of the business, right? Next, basis for making decisions. From inception of idea to delivering the final products to the customer, businessman has to take several decisions. Businessman has to look after many problems such as what, how, when, how much, and for whom to produce. As the scale of operation increases, these decisions be become more complex. Marketing helps to take right decision or at right time. Right, student? Source of new idea. Marketing helps business to understand the needs of the consumers. Feedbacks from the consumers helps in the improvement of the existing products. There is a rapid change in taste and preference of people, right? Marketing helps in understanding these changes. It helps to understand new demand pattern emerge in the market. Research and development department develop product. Accordingly, the 4 P's of marketing mix is that product, price, place, and promotion play a huge role in the product development. Inventions and innovations are taken place as per the need by the research and development team of the business, right? Next, tackling the competition. There is a increasing competition in almost all sector of the economy. It is difficult for any business to create monopoly for their products and services. The role of marketing is important to create brand image in the minds of a potential customers, right? Marketing not only helps to communicate the products and services to the customers but also motivates them to buy the same, right? Sound marketing strategies can portray better image of the business than the competitors. Business can take use of a modern technology for effective marketing, right? Next, Importance of marketing to the consumers. First, promotes products awareness. Through different marketing activities, companies promote their products and services. This helps consumers to know about different products and services available in the market. It helps the consumer in making buying decision. It also creates awareness among the consumers about different brands and features of the product available in the market. Right? Consumer can compare products, features, price, availability and other essential because of marketing. Marketing helps to improve the quality of the of life of the consumer. Right, student? Next, provides quality products. There is an increase in competition in the market. Consumers are getting easy access to the information about the products and services available in the market. It creates moral pressure on the business to provide variety of products. Right, student? Next, provides quality products. Now is a provides variety of products. Marketing creates awareness among the consumers about the product. At the same time, it attracts the consumers to buy the same with the customers' population and preferences. Supplying variety of products. Businessman needs to provide variety of goods to cater the needs of the different market segments of the consumers, right? Variety may change according to the price, size and quality of the products. Right, student? Next, helps in the selection. Variety of products with different brands are available in the competitive markets. Marketing helps consumers to choose the best products and services from the different options available. Different option means different businessman or competitor is available in the market, right? Next, consumer satisfaction. The first and foremost objective of any sound marketing policy is to satisfy the advertising assurance of good quality products to consumer. When an offering meets the customer's expectation, the customer is satisfied. Marketing leads to consumer satisfaction through honest advertising. Next, regular supply of goods. Through efficient distribution channel of marketing, regular supply of goods is possible. It helps to maintain the balance between demand and supply. It is the results into stable prices. Right, student? So, continue or regular supply is the most important for business. Thank you for watching my video.